How to add stickers and emojis on CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch a CapCut application here, then tap on to add new project. Select any project that you would like to work on, then tap on add. Once you have chosen the project, here you will see a stickers option. Swipe into your left, tap onto stickers. Then here you will see emoji as well. Just tap onto it. You will see various emojis. Just select the one that you would like to add. And here, place it wherever you would like. You can also clone this emoji. Just duplicate it and use it here. Once done, tap on the check icon. Now let's go ahead and do it again. This time, let's go ahead and add a sticker that is not an emoji. Just tap onto the sticker. Here, tap on stickers. And you can also use various other stickers. For instance, if you would like to use this like button, you can use it here. And you can also expand the length size of this emoji according to your video length. Just like so, this is how it will gonna look like. Once you're satisfied, tap on to export on your top right hand side, and this is how you can do it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.